Assalamualaikum friend, it's me, your host Mamil Khan, and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I am here with a new amazing token site which name is Assist Token. So first of all, I give you a little introduction about the Assist token. So what is Assist token, and we also discuss about their main features, their roadmap, their tokenomics, and we also discuss how we can buy their tokens on PooCoin on PancakeSwap by connecting our MetaMask with the PancakeSwap. So I request you all to see my complete video without skipping, because we also discuss their live chart, that how they start, when they start, and where are they going in future. So I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So let's start. So first of all, what is Assist token? So Assist token is a community-driven, fully decentralized community-driven. So Assist is one of a kind community-driven cryptocurrency project built on the Binance Smart Chain (BSC) that donates a portion of the transaction fees. So you can also check their audit report here. When their audit completed, you will able to check their audit report. So now we discuss about the other main features. So number one is this focused on totally focused on community. So community is at the core of Assist. Every part of the Assist process is governed by the token holders, from selecting which charity organizations should we donate to governing the platform. Assist token holders will have a say in everything. So other thing is, this is not only for specific person, so this is for everyone. So this have a flexible management, like speculative traders can benefit from the value of Assist. Companies can donate as part of their corporate social responsibility. Investors can bring their business ideas to life by raising funds with Assist. And their other fair launch is their other main feature is their fair launch. So Assist is a 100% fair launch token, so they are not offering any pre-sale or public sale. So they are going to be fair launch. So Assist has a total supply of 1 quadrillion tokens. Half of this supply was burned at the launch, and the remaining supply was added to PancakeSwap, providing liquidity. So these are the main features of the Assist token. So now we discuss about the other things, like crypto for social good. So every time you make a transaction, Assist transfers a part of the transaction fees in a charity pool. This pool is used to help underprivileged people. So this is not only for earn a future huge profit in future. So this also you can also deposit some money for charity, for helping underprivileged people. So other thing is necessary thing is the tokenomics of this token. So basically tokenomics are their token distribution, that they set different percentage for the different tasks. So they have they have a plan for set their 1% for marketing and donations. So transaction fees fee added automatically, but to the marketing and donations budget, and 2% is for reflection fee. It is distributed to all holders, and 2% is for burning. Transaction fee will be automatically burned forever. 3% is for liquidity of every transaction is automatically added to the liquidity pool. So other thing is roadmap. Basically roadmaps are their plans that they set according to different time periods. We can make an idea that why we choose their tokens by studying their different plans, their different roadmaps. So Assist token is fully decentralized and community driven tokens, though. So they have a plan of their token fair launch, PancakeSwap launch. Number two plan is for marketing on YouTube and Twitter, social media channels, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and Discord. So other plan is listing on different major sites like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, and their smart contract audit will be soon. Their first donation fee goes to No Kid Hungry. So this it's mean this is also a charity token. So other thing is their NFT and listing on different platform will soon. These are their plans that they set according to different time period. The other thing is there about their charity. So you can send your BNB BEP20 on this contract address. So your BNB will directly to go to help the underprivileged or no hungry kid hungry. So this is simple steps how you can buy their tokens on PancakeSwap. Now first step is install MetaMask, BNB, send BNB to MetaMask. because after installing MetaMask, you can send BNB to your MetaMask address for an exchange such as Coinbase or Binance. Number three step is connect to PancakeSwap and go to PancakeSwap and click the use PancakeSwap button when MetaMask asks for your signature to go ahead and sign in. And other step is you can now exchange your BNB for Assist token, set your slippage rate 7 to 12% and buy Assist token at the event amount and click on the swap button to complete your transaction. Make sure you set fast processing speed in MetaMask. Another thing is their contract address, so you can also find their contract address here if you can't find their tokens on PancakeSwap, or if you want to add their tokens on your MetaMask or Trust Wallet, you need to copy their contract address and go to your MetaMask and import their token by pasting their contract address. So after this, here you can also find out their PooCoin chart. So when you click on it, you will find out this page. Here you will find out the exact value of the Assist token, that where it is now and where it will be in future, because by seeing their previous live chart, you will easily make your judgment that where they are going to pump in future or they are going to dump in future, because here you can see that this chart show their effort, because green line means pump and red line mean dump, and now this token is on their peak value. So when you buy it now, so in future here you can see that they are directly go up, and you will be able to generate a huge profit in future. So after this discussing their PooCoin chart, we go back to our home page and discuss other things like how we can contact us. So contact them, so you need to write your name, your email, and write your message and send it, then your message directly sent to their team member. You should also read their legal disclaimer, because it's very necessary for investing in every website. So other thing is how we can buy their tokens. So if you click on the buy now, you will find out the PancakeSwap. Here you need to import their token by pasting their contract address. Here you can see that this is Assist token, so I imported already. So after this, you need to connect your MetaMask or Trust Wallet that you have in your mobile or in your PC. So after connecting your MetaMask, you should have some BNB for Assist token, for buy Assist token. Then after you need to set the slippage rate 7 to 12%. So you can set it at this place. So after setting their slippage rate, you need to write the amount of your BNB that you want to use for Assist tokens and click on the swap, then their token will automatically add it to your wallet. So see, this is very simple way. So now we discuss about their social medias, because it is very necessary for you before or after investing any site, because it will be easily for you by subscribing and follow their social medias, that you will find out each and every information regarding their project on their social medias, and they also give each and every update on the social medias. Then you will also find out each and every answer of your question regarding their project. So I recommend you all to follow and press the bell icon to see each and every update regarding their project on their social media. So after this, we discuss about the Telegram group. Here you can see that they have 248 members, and here you can also check their pin message. So what are you hoping for from the Assist project? So you can also vote them on different sites, and these are their social medias. These are very necessary for you if you have interest or if you want to buy their tokens. So thank you very much. To see my complete video, Allah Hafiz.